In this new question, we're going to look at a ratio of postcards. And we know that we're comparing Julie's postcards to the number of Andy's postcards. And we're using a ratio of 2 to 5. Now the challenge in this question is that after we've developed the ratio, Julie bought another 40 postcards. And she now has 2 times as many postcards as Andy. So the first thing we have to do is start at the beginning. We know we're comparing Julie's postcards to Andy's postcards, and that's a ratio of 2 to 5. Using our tape diagrams, we could then make this ratio of 2 red squares to 5 yellow squares. If we then want to represent the change of Julie buying another 40 postcards, we can alter our tape diagram to look like this. We still have the original 2 red postcards from Julie, and we have the original 5 yellow postcards from Andy, but we also have this additional green squares. The number of green squares we have is done so that it's twice as big as Andy's squares. Andy has 5 squares, and so we needed another 5 squares so that Julie now has 10 squares. The green squares represents the extra postcards that Julie bought, and we know that she bought 40 extra postcards. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 green squares. We know that 40 divided by 8 equals 5. That means each of these green squares must be 5 to give a total of 40. If each green square is 5, that means the red and the yellow squares are also 5. That means that Andy originally had 5 yellow squares of 5 postcards each, which equals 25 postcards.